your manager says, we'll need last year's sales report and maybe a quick meeting in 15 minutes. So you go check the sales file. Here is what you see. You scroll down all the records. In the column, you have name of the salesperson, transaction ID, date, name of the product. Here I use product ABC, etc. You also have unit price for each product, the quantity that the salesperson sold, and the calculated total sales. The question is, how you're going to present the data in a meeting. In other words, how you can transfer from the table to this dashboard. Yes, you can visualize your data by using these functions in Excel, which are PivotTable, PivotChart, and the filter functions, slicer, and timeline. Okay, let's go find out how. Step 1. You select your table. Make sure it's a table instead of lists. But how do you know it's a table? Go to Insert. If it's not a table yet, you can click the table icon. Otherwise, the table icon would be in gray or in active status. Or you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T, either way to make a table. Then click OK. Now you have a table. Step 2. Back to Insert. Find PivotChart and click PivotChart and PivotTable. Make sure it selects your table and create in a new worksheet. Then OK. In the new worksheet, I want to see product, total prices, and total quantity. I want to change the data format for the values. For total prices or sales, select Value Field Setting, Number Format, Currency, and OK. The next one, total quantity should be integer because I make them by rounding random numbers, so I just need a quick fix for that. OK, now it's integer. Step 3. Click your chart and then go to Design. Because I want to make a pie, but not that kind of pie. Okay, how about 3D pie? Looks good. So we can go to the quick layout and want to see percentage on the pie chart. For the pivot table, you can also modify the name as well if you want to. Sometimes you want to present them in order, such as from the top cells to low. You can use sort function. So now the data looks a little more organized. Alright, move on to step 4. Go to Insert and click Slicer. I want to have both salesperson and product, so I get 2 slicers. And I just move them to the right. Then you go back to Insert and click Timeline. I only have one option, so select Date, and here is my timeline. Just simply adjust them a little bit. Step 5. Polish the final look. Go back to Insert, go to Text, and click Word Art. I'll just call it Sales Report in 2018. If you like, you can also go to Option to change the colors for slicers and timeline. Otherwise, the default color would be blue. Also, for my timeline, I want to change it to quarter. Finally, I changed the name of the worksheet as summary. Here we go. We just made the dashboard and we're ready for the meeting. I want to see our sales in the second or third quarter. Go to timeline, click the second or third quarter, and here you go. How much product A did we sell last year? Go to Product Slicer. Click Product A. We sold 19 units last year. How much product A, B, and D did we sell last year? In the Product Slicer, click Product A, B, and D. Make sure you hit the Control key. We sold a total of 111 units last year. For some reason, we want to focus on product B. We need to know who sold them last year. Okay, select product B. You'll only see these 5 salespersons. Others are in gray. It seems like product K wasn't easy to sell last year. Who made that magic happen? Same thing. Click product K, and it shows Laura Shin is the person. Great! We should give her a reward. So I think you get the idea and I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next videos.